Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
You might want to pay a visit to some of the following locations in Manchester, Jamaica. Check Google Maps. Did you know this beautiful Mandeville town? It is the capital and largest town in the parish of Manchester in the county of Middlesex, Jamaica. In 2005, the town had an estimated population of 50,000, and including the immediate suburbs within a radius of 16 kilometers, the total population was about 72,000. Did you know this? Hatfield. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 18 degrees 20 north, 77 degrees 32 west. Did you know this? Parties. It is situated southwest of Royal Flat and southwest of Williamsfield. Latitude 18 degrees 30 and longitude 77 degrees 28:59 west. Belfield is situated nearby the district of Daviton and southwest of St. Helena. Williamsfield. It is a settlement in the parish of Manchester, Jamaica. It gets its name from the Williamsfield estate, which was a sugar plantation established in the 1740s. It has 3,255 inhabitants. Royal Flat is in Williamsfield, Manchester, Jamaica. Did you know this? Kendall. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 18 degrees 50 north, 77 degrees 29 west. Hope Village is next to Melrose Hill and is located in Manchester, Jamaica. Mildly. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 18 degrees 80 north, 77 degrees 33 west. Did you know this? The St. George's Anglican Church, located in the parish of Manchester, Mildly, Jamaica, known to most as Duppy Church. Maidstone, Manchester, Jamaica was one of the first free villages in Manchester, Jamaica. Maidstone Museum houses some artifacts from the time of enslavement. The graphic maps of the area around are 18 degrees 21:26 n, 77 degrees 16:30 west. Christiana, Manchester, is a settlement in Jamaica. Did you know this? The town was originally called Struan Castle during the early British colonial rule and was a popular destination for British citizens due to the cool climate and the at times foggy weather. The geographical coordinates are 18 degrees 10 north, 77 degrees 29 west. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.